How do Temu Vouchers work? Temu Vouchers look like instant savings until you hit checkout and the discount doesn't apply, or it applies in a way you didn't expect. That's the frustrating part. It can feel random even when you did everything right. There's one key detail that explains almost every voucher surprise, and I'll come back to it at the end so you can stop guessing and start predicting what will happen. What a Temu voucher is, in plain English. A Temu voucher is a discount benefit tied to your account that can reduce the total you pay, but only when certain conditions are met. Some vouchers behave like a coupon you apply at checkout, others behave like a credit that kicks in automatically when your card qualifies. The important thing is that a voucher isn't a promise, it's a conditional discount. If your card doesn't match the conditions, the voucher may show up in your account but still do nothing at checkout. So the mindset shift is simple. Vouchers are less like cash and more like a rule that can trigger. Where vouchers come from and why that matters. Vouchers can come from promotions, app events, targeted offers, or actions inside the app, like participating in a campaign. That origin matters because it often determines the rules. A voucher meant to bring in new customers can have stricter requirements than a voucher meant to encourage repeat purchases. Some vouchers are designed to be broadly usable. Others are designed to push certain categories, certain sellers, or certain card totals. This is why two people can see different behavior at the same store, even if they think they're doing the same thing. How vouchers apply at checkout. At checkout, the system looks at your card and checks whether the voucher's conditions are satisfied. If it qualifies, you may see it apply automatically, or you may need to select it from an available voucher list. If it doesn't qualify, it might show as not applicable, or it might not appear as a usable option at all. This is where confusion happens, because the voucher can still exist in your account while being unusable for that card. The discount is usually calculated after the system decides what parts of your card count toward the requirement, which can be different from what you assume counts. Why vouchers don't work when you think they should? The most common reason is a minimum requirement. Your cart total might not meet it, or the cart subtotal that counts for the voucher might be lower than your visible total. Another common reason is product exclusions. A voucher might not apply to certain categories, certain items, or certain promotional bundles. Shipping and taxes can also confuse people. Many vouchers apply to the product subtotal, not the entire final total, so the discount can look smaller than expected. And sometimes it's timing. Vouchers can expire, be limited to one use, or only work during a specific promotion window. None of this is about you doing something wrong. It's just how conditional discounts are built. Can you stack vouchers and other discounts? Sometimes you can combine a voucher with other promotions, and sometimes you can't. This is one of the biggest points of friction. A voucher might be mutually exclusive with certain sale prices, other coupon codes, or specific promotions already in your cart. When stacking is allowed, the order matters. One discount can change the qualifying subtotal for another, which makes a card that should qualify suddenly not qualify. The best approach is simple. Treat stacking as a bonus, not a plan. Build a card that qualifies for the one voucher you care about most, and only then see if anything else applies. Closing the loop, the one detail that explains almost everything. Here's the detail I promised. Temu vouchers usually depend on the qualifying subtotal, not the total you're staring at. The qualifying subtotal is the part of your card that the voucher considers eligible after exclusions, after certain promotional rules, and sometimes before shipping and taxes. Once you start thinking in eligible items instead of card total, vouchers stop feeling random. You can predict whether they'll apply before you waste time at checkout. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.